Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I have a dip powder starter kit to show you, and I'm super excited because I've never done this before and I was happy with the turnout. So if you need long lasting a manicure like acrylic but don't want to do the acrylic, I don't like acrylic because of the smell, and this has way less odor. So it does come with 4 bottles, a brush saver, a base, an activator, and a gel top coat. So you do not need a lamp, and it is less work than acrylics. So the brush saver does help clean your brushes if you get residue on them from the powders, and I thought that was pretty cool. So it does come with 4 jars of powder, clear, white, a glittery pink, and like a pinkish red. And I am going to be doing the clear, as it does state to dip your nail in that first and then you pick a color. So I'm going to do like the glittery pink. So first you want to lightly buff the surface of your nail. What this does is it takes the shine and oils off your nails, and it will help adhere everything that you put on them. So you want to start off with the base, and this does seem a little liquidy, so you want to make sure you wipe off a lot of it on the brush, and you apply it just like you would regular nail polish. Make sure that you get it only on your nail, because when you dip, the powder will stick anywhere where you had applied the base. So dip it in at a 45-degree angle. And as you can see here, I didn't wait long enough and it starts to clump up. You want to wait at least 30 seconds after each nail and then brush off the excess. So I go ahead and do all of the nails first, apply the base, and then dip, and then I brush off the excess. Now these jars are small, so if you do have long nails that won't work, they do sell this like powder collector thingy that you would just put your nail over top of it and use something to scoop the powder and dump on your nail, which it would be the same thing, but since mine aren't that long, I am just going to go ahead and do it this way. I do tap my nail or my finger on the jar just to get most of it, and then after I will use a brush to brush off the excess before the second coat. So I'm just going to go ahead and put my finger over the jar just to collect some of the powder, and I'm just using a cheap fan brush just to brush off the excess. Then you just want to repeat the steps using the base, and then you dip it in the color of your choice. Now remember to be very careful where you apply the base, as the powder will stick to anywhere you applied the base. Alright, now I did apply this two times, one on camera and one off camera. And then you just want to go ahead and lightly buff the surface. I'm not sure if I should have done this a little bit more, but they did seem smooth and I didn't need to file as much. And then you just want to apply the applicator, which it just helps the dry time and to harden everything else. It does feel like you're applying nothing, so I was confused about that since I've never put something like that on my nails. So you just want to apply that before you apply the gel top coat. Now this gel top coat is not your typical gel top coat. You don't need an LED lamp. It is just a gel-like top coat, and it does make a beautiful shine. And so far, since I've recorded this, my nails have lasted, and it's just like acrylic, but without all of the smells and all the work. So this would be like a great kit for you if you need something stronger than gel. You just want to apply thin layers. So you want to do a first coat and then a second coat, and then you are good to go. Lastly, I'm just going to go ahead and apply some cuticle oil. This one is from Sally Beauty. I'm not sure if you can find it online, but if I can find it, I will link it down below. The starter kit that I'm using will be linked down below as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and find it helpful. And I will see you in the next video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.